Hello and welcome back to Discover Lands. Are you dreaming of your next adventure but feeling overwhelmed with all the planning and expenses? Well, don't worry because we're here to help you out. In this video, we're going to share with you some of the most valuable travel hacks that will make your next trip smoother, more affordable, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, these tips and tricks will make your journey a breeze. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to take some notes because these travel hacks are not to be missed. Our first travel hack is all about saving money on flights. Did you know that airlines use cookies to track your search history and often raise prices accordingly? So, make sure to search for flights in incognito mode or clear your cookies to avoid these price hikes. It's a small hack that can save you big bucks. Next, let's talk about packing. Instead of folding your clothes, try rolling them to save space and reduce wrinkles. You can even use packing cubes or compression bags to keep everything organized and maximize the space in your suitcase. Now, let's focus on staying hydrated on the go. Bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up at water fountains or restaurants. Not only will you save money on bottled water, but you'll also help the environment by reducing plastic waste. We all know how important it is to keep our phones charged while traveling. So, pack a portable charger or power bank in your carry-on bag to avoid running out of juice when you're out and about. Trust us, it's a lifesaver. Now, let's talk about communication barriers. If you're traveling to a foreign country, download a language translation app or learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Not only will it help you communicate better, but it'll also show locals that you respect their culture and language. Our next travel hack is all about using technology to your advantage. There are many travel apps available that can help you plan your trip, find the best deals, and even discover hidden gems that only locals know about. So, make sure to do your research and download some of these apps before you go. Now let's talk about packing your toiletries. Instead of using bulky bottles, try packing your liquids in travel-sized containers or even Ziploc bags to save space and reduce the risk of spills. But wait, we're still going. We have a few bonus travel hacks that we just couldn't leave out. If you're bringing a razor on your trip, use a binder clip to protect the blades. This will prevent them from getting dull or damaged during transport. Next, if you have small items like earrings or pills that you need to keep organized, use a contact lens case. It's a perfect size and keeps everything in one place. If you're packing your shoes and want to keep them separate from your clean clothes, use a shower cap to cover them. It's a simple hack that will keep your luggage clean and organized. Remember, the key to stress-free travel is preparation and organization. With these hacks in your arsenal, you'll be ready to tackle any travel challenge that comes your way. When it comes to snacks, it's always a good idea to pack some for the road. Not only can you save money on airport food, but you'll also have something to munch on during those long layovers. Some good options include nuts, dried fruits, granola bars, and crackers. If you're planning on sleeping on your flight, a neck pillow is a must-have. It can help you get some much-needed rest and prevent neck pain. Plus, it's compact and easy to pack. Make sure to tag your luggage with your name and contact information. In case your luggage gets lost or misplaced, it will be easier for the airline to locate and return it to you. You can even use a fun and unique luggage tag to make your bag stand out from the crowd. Remember, traveling is all about experiencing new cultures, meeting new people, and creating unforgettable memories. With these travel hacks and tips, you can focus on the fun and leave the stress behind. Before we sign off, we want to leave you with one final travel hack that can save you a ton of money on your next trip: travel during the off-season. The off-season is the time when tourists are less likely to travel to a particular destination. This could be during the winter months for a beach destination or the rainy season for a city location. Traveling during the off-season not only means fewer crowds, but also means lower prices on flights, hotels, and attractions. Another way to save money on travel is by using a travel rewards credit card. These cards offer perks like free flights, hotel stays, and upgrades, and can earn you points or miles that you can redeem for travel-related expenses. Just make sure to pay off your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. We're here with even more travel hacks that you need to know for your next trip. A VPN encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address, making it harder for hackers, advertisers, or government agencies to track your online activities. It can also bypass geo-restrictions and allow you to access websites and apps that may be blocked in your destination. For example, some countries have strict internet censorship laws that may block popular social media platforms, news websites, or streaming services. By using a VPN, you can connect to a server in a different location and access these websites as if you were in that country. Now let's talk about the travel-sized first aid kit. This essential item should be included in every traveler's packing list. When putting together your first aid kit, consider including items like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, medical tape, tweezers, and pain relievers. When packing your first aid kit, make sure to label it clearly and keep it in an easily accessible place, like the top of your carry-on luggage. This way, you'll be able to quickly access it in case of an emergency. Wear comfortable shoes that you've already broken in. This is especially important if you'll be doing a lot of walking or standing during your trip. It's better to be comfortable than to risk blisters or foot pain. Now let's talk about the travel towel. This is a must-have item for anyone who loves to travel. These towels are lightweight, quick-drying, and take up minimal space in your luggage. Travel towels are perfect for the beach, pool, or gym. They're also great for backpackers who need to save space and weight in their packs. When exploring a new city, skip the tourist traps and seek out the local hotspots. Ask locals for recommendations on where to eat, drink, and explore. You'll get a more authentic experience and make unforgettable memories. Use a fanny pack or crossbody bag to keep your essentials close at hand. This is especially important if you're in a crowded area where pickpocketing is a concern. Keep your money, passport, and other important items in a bag that's easy to keep in front of you and hard to snatch. And that's a wrap on our travel hacks video. We hope you learned something new and that these tips will help make your next trip a success. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be expensive or stressful, and with the right tips and tricks, you can make the most out of your journey. If you have any other travel hacks that you swear by, please share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel-related content. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!